What's up, you sexy motherfuckers? Today I'll be showing you how to make a quick, cheap, and the world's most easiest, healthiest recipe to snack on when you guys get hungry.
And if y'all want to lose 10 pounds in a month like me.
So for all you Abercrombie and Fitch models out there, Hollister, Zoomies, Forever 45, Victoria Don't Tell Nobody models, this recipe is for you. So hang tight like a dyke and watch me work like Captain Kirk. You heard? And if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Click that thumbs up one time. Let's get it. Now, first things first, you're gonna need 100% cow breast milk. See, for me, I'm kind of lactose, so instead of doing 1 cup of this shit, I only use like 3 tablespoons, y'all. Cause you feel me? I get the runs like chow fun and the shits like bacon bits. Now I prefer Greek yogurt, but this is the only thing I got in my fridge. And I'm broke, bitch, so suck a tit. Now what's the yogurt bowl without the strawberry like Stephon Marbury and the mango like the Django? Now some of y'all prefer no natural sweetener. Then y'all motherfuckers worship the devil, for real. Y'all worship Satan, like the person who created those vegan chicken nuggets. Now right here I got 2 whole strawberries sliced into quarters and a thumb-sized mango. I feel sorry for your mother. Up next, we got the honey bunches of oats. This that wick shit right here, bro, you feel me? One of the best ones, so y'all better jump on it. It's free 99. Go holler at one of your pregnant aunties, pregnant sisters, pregnant grandmas, and go get you some of these honey bunches of oats. These things go crazy. Next up, this shit is optional. Y'all don't even need it like that, but I prefer it. Because, you know what I'm saying, that yogurt plain and Greek yogurt plain, that shit's nasty as hell, man. So throw yourself like a teaspoon of this in there, mix it all up. Y'all gonna be solid, bro. Trust me. Trust. Come on, y'all. Now let's get to work. Let's put it together. Alright, up first we got the plain yogurt. I'm about to do like, let's say, 3 tablespoons of this. Just 3 tablespoons. That's all you need. Cause the shit, I ain't gonna lie, eating it by itself is nasty as fuck. So 3 tablespoons of that. Now, I don't eat this every single day. Only snack on this when I'm dumbass hungry, when I'm hella hungry. Like, stomach touching my back type shit. And if you want to really know what I eat, you gotta smash that subscribe button and comment below to see what I really eat. Pussy. Alright, now, I think I'll be adding the honey. See, with this, you don't even need to add a lot. I only add like, what, about a tablespoon, or I think a teaspoon. That's it, not much. Just to get some of that sweetness incorporated with that plain yogurt. See? Just a teaspoon. Don't go too crazy with that shit. You don't want to start losing your teeth and getting your foot amputated. Next up, we got that wick pick. That's that schmack right there. That's that secret ingredient, y'all. So drop that basic ass granola bullshit and go get you some honey bunches of oats. I'm telling you, that shit fuego. Especially with the yogurt and all that. Trust, look at that, boy. Pouring in like about half a cup. You gotta trust me. If y'all trying to lose 10 pounds and make the food taste good, listen to me. Trust me. Won't disappoint you. Now you add your strawberries and your mangoes. This right here, you don't really need it though, honestly. But then it's always good to have those natural sugars, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, throw in like a couple slices here and there, bro. You feel me? This will make everything pop. You feel me? And I know y'all probably laughing at this fucking video like, man, look at this weak ass shit. What the hell he eating? But hey, go look in the mirror. Y'all haven't seen y'all dick or your vagina in like years. So stop making punk ass excuses, trying to judge other people for eating healthy and eating right, hiding behind a computer or a phone screen, cyberbullying people for them wanting to be healthy, staying fit and all that shit. Stop making excuses. Go make yourself a yoga bowl right here. And you feel me? Start a new healthy life. It's never too late. Your time is now. So this right here is the outcome, y'all. This is the masterpiece. This is the Fiesta la Resistance right here. You feel me? Look at that shit. Amazing. Shit looks magnificent, magnifico. Mwah. And in the words of my boy Quang Tran QT, you guys want to take the first bite of this? You guys got it?
Nice. Well, if y'all like this recipe right here, please give the video a thumbs up and click on that bell for future notifications on more healthy recipes. All right, I got y'all. Your doses. Oh yeah, one more thing. Don't mind the date, y'all. I fucked up again.